Hello, I'm Dr. Pie. What we're talking about today are the 4 seasons. What season is it now? It's fall, right? That's right. You feel the temperatures falling outside, leaves are falling off the trees, yellow, orange, and red colors. Last summer was hot, right? This summer was hot. But that's over. It's nice and cool now. So, there are 4 seasons. Last season was summer. Now it's fall. Then later, it'll be winter and then spring. Right. These seasons repeat in a continuous cycle. How does that work? I'm going to explain. You see, the Earth and these yellow rays, they're hot rays from the sun. You see that X? That's where we live, on the northern hemisphere. The southern hemisphere is below the equator. You notice the Earth's axis is tilted, right? It is. The Earth's axis is tilted at 23.5 degrees. Now, in the picture you see, which season is that? Summer. Why? Using your body as an example, where the rays from the sun going to touch you first. Your head. And in the south, it's opposite, it's cold. The northern and southern hemispheres have opposite weather, it's hot and cold. How does that work? Let me show you. You see, the Earth goes around and around. The sun sits in the center. You know that the Earth spins. One spin equals 24 hours. The sun goes up and down, while the Earth spins. And when the Earth revolves around the sun once, that is 1 year. The Earth goes around and around, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and so on. It repeats. You notice the 4 stages of where the Earth is on the image? That is 4 seasons, right? Fall, winter, spring, and summer. Where are we now? We're at the autumnal equinox. It's fall. It's fall now. Now you see how the Earth's axis is tilted? Remember, it is always tilted. So when the sun hits the Earth at this stage, it is not cold or hot, it is rather balanced. What does the weather look like in the stage? Wow. Beautiful. All the yellows, oranges, and reds. So colorful. Anyway, now back to business. The Earth moves around the sun into the winter solstice. And notice how the northern hemisphere is on the far end now. And see how the sun rays hit the southern hemisphere first? This part of the Earth is now hot, and the northern hemisphere is now cold. And that is winter. What does winter look like? What does it look like? Brr! It's so cold. Lots of snow and trees. They have no leaves. Because plants don't like cold, right? It will close up and hide. Anyway, moving on. Now we're at the vernal equinox. Spring. Remember, we were at winter, and now the temperatures are rising back to a balanced weather. Not too hot, not too cold. It's balanced. Not cold, not hot. But wait, see how beautiful spring is? So much green grass, lots of pink flowers. All the flowers are blooming, so beautiful. All the snow has been melted and turned into water. It is better in the warm than the cold, right? Now we're going to move around the sun. Let's go into summer. We're here at summer solstice, and it is hot. Whew. Y'all are out of school now, right? Free as birds. The beach. Because it's so hot, and people like to swim to cool off. Right? Cool. Beautiful. Now you see how the sun goes around the sun. How the earth goes around the sun. And the different seasons take effect as it goes around every year. It never stops. Wow. Fascinating information, right? Now all of the 4 seasons. Which one is your favorite? Fall, winter, spring, or summer? Which one's your favorite?